Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best cruelty-free beauty products available on the market, the e.l.f. Lip Lacquer in Whisper Pink. At first glance, this product might seem like your average lip gloss, but it has a lot more going for it. It's a high-shine lip lacquer that's both nourishing and non-sticky, a rare combination for a gloss. If you've ever struggled with sticky, uncomfortable glosses that end up feeling more like glue than glamour, this one is a refreshing change. The texture of this lip lacquer is beautifully smooth. It glides effortlessly across the lips, thanks to its newly designed plush, lip-hugging doe foot applicator. This makes application easy and precise, ensuring every part of your lips is coated with a flattering sheer tint of color. And if you're someone who prefers to build intensity, you'll love how layerable the formula is. One coat gives you a subtle sheen, but with a few more, you can amp up the color without it ever feeling heavy or sticky. What sets this product apart is the formula. It's infused with vitamins A and E, two powerhouse ingredients known for their hydrating and conditioning properties. That means while you're wearing this gloss, you're not just adding shine, you're actively nourishing your lips. It leaves them feeling soft, smooth, and comfortably moisturized throughout the day. Now, let's talk versatility. This lip lacquer in Whisper Pink can be worn alone for a natural, effortless glow or layered on top of lipstick to enhance your look with that extra pop of shine. It's especially great for everyday wear or when you want to add a touch of polish without going full glam. The brand behind this product, e.l.f., is well known for their commitment to clean beauty. All of their products, including this lip lacquer, are vegan and cruelty-free. That means no animal testing and no animal-derived ingredients, making it a fantastic choice for anyone committed to ethical beauty routines. And here's a quick beauty tip. Before applying the lip lacquer, try exfoliating your lips with e.l.f.'s Lip Exfoliator. It preps your lips by removing dead skin, giving you the smoothest possible surface to apply the gloss. The result? A flawless, radiant finish every time. In terms of packaging and size, you're getting 0.08 fluid ounces of product in a compact, travel-friendly tube. It's small enough to slip into any bag or pocket, making it perfect for touch-ups throughout the day. Priced at just $4, it's an affordable luxury that punches well above its weight. For a formula that hydrates, shines, and enhances your lips while staying cruelty-free, it's hard to beat. If you're looking for an ultra-shiny lip gloss that feels as good as it looks, one that's hydrating, ethical, and budget-friendly, the e.l.f. Lip Lacquer in Whisper Pink is definitely worth a try. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest reviews on the best products out there. See you next time.